Just I should to show. Oh, my man. I should to show you these trees. They are so amazing. Look, so beautiful. Look at these tree and look at this tree. It's different. It's like have hands. Side the tree. I can take an example like okay, but look at this tree. This tree is so different than the other tree. I'm still drinking. I want to drink the water. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. Oh, it's so silent. Ooh. I didn't find to talk about something. I mean topic. I'm sorry about if my English is not good. I don't know why when I'm at home and I don't do anything. My English in my mind talking better than what I'm in on now. So yeah, excuse me. Excuse me so much about that. Let's be. It's so different. The weather's so amazing. Absolutely, because the weather is amazing because of the winter coming, the cold, rain, and maybe this year it will be snowing. That's what they said in the news. Um, actually, I think that because this summer was so hot, and when the weather is so hot too much, maybe the beginning of September, starting with winter. I'm talking about like rain, cold weather, cold wind, like that. Wow! Look at this. Oh, wait. I mean these three. Two, three. Two, three. Why my mind said three? I'm not talking about three. I'm talking three. Three. Ah, three. I don't know. Maybe it's right. I'm gonna do some videos here to post it on Instagram. For the people who doesn't know, my Instagram is down. Sorry, I'm sorry. It's on my page. Just check my channel and you will find Instagram. weather. I love it so much. This place is so good. I can't say that. Maybe one day we'll take my food and come here. Or maybe with my family. It will be good. Look. We'll show you now. Look. It's a good place. I love it so much, really. I can't explain my feeling. Maybe you should to come with me one day. I'm here. Whoa. It was a good day. Maybe I should to say it was a good evening. Sometimes my English getting bad and I don't know why. That's making me so angry sometimes. I'm watching and series and I'm watching and slowly I'm writing and absolutely, of course, I do read stories and novels to make my backgrounds better than first, but I don't know why. Sometimes I forget what I'm talking about or what I want to say. That's what really make me feel as I'm like if I didn't learn anything from English. So bad. So bad feeling. Ooh, should you say that? So beautiful. It wants to sense, but the cloudy doesn't make the sun going good to her senses. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, it's good.